So have you seen the latest GitHub features? They're really pushing the envelope with AI integration.
Right? GitHub Copilot is like having a copilot for coding. But does it really improve productivity?
Totally, but I wonder, is it just a crutch for developers? Like, what happens to our coding skills?
That's a fair point. I think it enhances skills rather than replaces them. It's more of a tool, right?
Exactly, it's like having a GPS. You still need to know how to drive, but it makes the journey smoother.
Nice analogy. But what if the GPS malfunctions? Relying too much on AI could lead to issues.
True, but that brings us to GitHub Advanced Security. It helps to identify vulnerabilities, which is super important.
Yeah, but what about false positives? That could lead to unnecessary workarounds for developers.
Good point, it's like trying to fix a leak without knowing where it's coming from, could waste time.
And then there's GitHub Actions. Automating workflows sounds great, but does it really save time?
I think it can, but you need to set it up correctly first. It's like setting up a home assistant.
Right? If you don't configure it well, it just becomes another source of frustration.
Exactly, I mean, if you have to constantly tweak it, is it really worth it?
That's where the balance comes in. Tech should enhance efficiency, not complicate it.
And what do you think about GitHub code spaces? Instant dev environments sound revolutionary.
They do, but isn't there a learning curve? New users might feel overwhelmed.
For sure, it's like jumping into a swimming pool without knowing how to swim.
Exactly. They need to provide good onboarding to make it less daunting.
And then we have GitHub discussions. Collaborating outside code could spark great ideas.
Yeah, but is it effective? Sometimes too many opinions can derail the main focus.
That's true, it's like a brainstorming session that needs a strong facilitator.
Exactly. There's potential, but it requires good moderation to keep it productive.
So what do you think is the most game-changing feature?
I'd say GitHub Copilot really stands out. It feels like a breakthrough in coding.
I agree, but it makes me wonder, how do we keep human creativity alive in coding?
That's an interesting challenge. It's about using the AI as a partner, not a replacement.
Exactly, co-pilots can help, but the pilot still needs to steer the plane.
Totally. And I think as AI advances, we'll need to adapt our roles as developers.
Right, so what's your take on the ethical implications of AI in coding?
That's a complex topic. We need to ensure AI helps everyone, not just a select few.
100%, it's like making sure everyone has access to the same tools.
And thinking about bias in AI, it's crucial to address that too.
Definitely, if AI learns from biased data, it could perpetuate those biases in code.
Exactly. We have to be vigilant about the data we feed these systems.
So essentially, while AI can enhance coding, it comes with responsibilities.
Yes, and it's up to developers to harness that power ethically.
It's like wielding a double-edged sword, you need to be careful.
Yes, we have to ensure we cut away the bad and keep the good.
And we should keep the conversation open as AI evolves, it's a journey.
Absolutely. The landscape is changing, and we need to adapt along with it.
So I guess the question remains, how do we prepare for this future?
It starts with education. We need to teach future developers about these tools.
And we have to foster creativity so they can innovate with these technologies.
Totally. The balance between using tools and maintaining creative thinking is key.
It's going to be fascinating to watch how this all unfolds.
For sure, I can't wait to see what the next wave of innovations brings.
Agreed, let's keep questioning and exploring these developments together.
Absolutely. There's so much to discover in this evolving tech landscape.
And that's what makes it exciting, a world full of possibilities.
Exactly. Here's to our journey of learning and growth.